Salt air and rust on your doors, Australia is renowned for being a coastal paradise. The Australian coastline stretches over 50,000 kilometers, and the country is full of so many unique beaches that it would take you over 32 years to see every one of them if you visited one per day. But let me shatter the myth that Australia is only good for its beaches. The land down under is brimming with natural escapades, glamorous cityscapes, and even more stunning ecosystems beyond its coastline. After all, this country is wider than the moon, is the world's 6th largest country and the largest island, at over 7.6 million square kilometers. So, in the vastness of Australia, where should one head to? In this video, we answer that question exactly, counting down from Number 11. Rottnest Island. If you're looking to connect with nature, there might not be anything like Rottnest Island anywhere else in the world. Rottnest Island, or Rotto as the Aussies like to call it, is a picturesque island paradise located just a ferry ride away from the coast of Perth. Celebrated for its crystal clear waters, sandy beaches, and unique lifestyle, Rotto is renowned for its 63 stunning beaches and numerous secluded coves, making it an ideal spot for swimming, snorkeling, and sunbathing. Many visitors hire bicycles to explore the island's car-free environment, which gives them more time to find coves and bays. Some of the most well-known beaches include the Basin, Pinky Beach, and Little Salmon Bay, each offering its own distinct charm. Perhaps the most iconic feature of Rottnest Island is its resident marsupial, the quokka. Often described as the world's happiest animal due to its friendly and smiley appearance, quokkas can be spotted throughout the island, particularly around settlement areas. These cute creatures have become a symbol of the island and are a favorite subject for photos with visitors. The island's marine life is another major draw for visitors, with snorkeling and diving opportunities to discover colorful coral reefs, shipwrecks, and a diverse range of fish species. The underwater world is teeming with marine biodiversity, making it a favorite destination for water sports enthusiasts. To truly get the crux of nature, Rotto's accommodations range from campgrounds to comfortable lodges, and you're welcome to catch your own dinner from the sea or enjoy seafood at the island restaurants. Number 10. Kakadu National Park. Kakadu National Park is a renowned natural and cultural treasure located in the Northern Territory of Australia. It stands as the country's largest national park, covering an impressive 19,804 square kilometers of lush wetlands, ancient escarpments, meandering rivers, rugged sandstone cliffs, and expansive savanna woodlands. Naturally, it's also a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Kakadu is full of unique geological features, with the towering Arnhem Land Plateau and the dramatic Jim Jim Falls taking first place for hiking and explorative locations. The park is also teeming with rock art sites that depict Dreamtime stories of Aboriginal culture dating back as far as 65,000 years ago. One of Kakadu's unique features is its extensive wetlands, including the world-famous yellow water billabong. These wetlands are teeming with bird life, particularly during the bird migration season, making it a haven for birdwatchers and nature enthusiasts. Boat cruises on the billabong provide an up-close view of the diverse aquatic and bird species, as well as the chance to spot saltwater crocodiles basking on the banks. The park's varied ecosystems are home to a remarkable range of wildlife, including saltwater crocodiles, water buffalo, wallabies, and numerous bird species. Visitors can explore the park's network of walking trails, take part in ranger-led activities, or experience the cultural and natural wonders of this unique Australian wilderness. Number 9. Uluru. Sometimes called Ayers Rock, Uluru is one of Australia's most iconic natural landmarks. This magnificent, massive, and sacred red sandstone monolith stands in the great landscape of the Australian Outback. On its own, the Australian Outback covers 70% of Australia's land area and extends from the northern tropics to the southern deserts and from the eastern coastline to the western edges of the continent. But if you can't afford to spend weeks traveling every crevice of the Outback, set your eyes on Uluru. Measuring over 1,142 feet high and 9.4 kilometers in circumference, Uluru is not only impressive for its size, but also for its spiritual and cultural significance to the Anangu Aboriginal people. It is believed that Uluru is inhabited and created by several ancestral beings, including a python woman and a venomous snake man. Visitors to Uluru can explore its rugged beauty through various walking trails around its base, offering different perspectives of this majestic rock formation. The most famous of these trails is the 10.6-kilometer Uluru Base Walk, which provides an up-close look at the rock's unique features, including ancient cave paintings, waterholes, and distinctive erosion patterns. One of the most spectacular times to visit Uluru is during sunrise or sunset, when the rock magically changes color dramatically from deep red to fiery orange. If you want to catch the color change in real life, find a spot in one of the crowded viewing areas around the base with other tourists. No matter what you do, just make sure you're not climbing Uluru or doing anything culturally offensive to the local Anangu people. While Uluru itself is the main attraction, the surrounding Uluru Kakadu National Park offers more natural wonders. Also known as the Olgas, Kakadu is another set of striking rock formations located nearby, featuring a series of domed red rocks and hiking trails. Number 8. Great Barrier Reef. Off the northeastern coast of Australia in Queensland is the Great Barrier Reef, the world's most extensive coral reef system and one of the most renowned natural wonders on the planet. Stretching over 2,300 kilometers, the reef is visible from space and comprises thousands of individual reefs and picturesque islands. It is known for its extraordinary marine biodiversity and vibrant coral formations, making it a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a global icon of underwater beauty. The Great Barrier Reef is also home to a dazzling array of marine life, including over 1,500 species of fish, numerous species of coral, sea turtles, sharks, dolphins, blue-ringed octopus, manta rays, and more animals than we can fit in this video. Naturally, the Great Barrier Reef is also a diver's paradise, offering some of the most spectacular underwater experiences in the world, including snorkeling, swimming with the dolphins, and scuba diving. If you're afraid of going underwater, you can take a helicopter ride over the expansive blue sea below. Just taking a look from high above will take your breath away. Number 7. Sidney. Known for its stunning harbour, world-famous landmarks, and vibrant culture, Sidney is a bustling metropolis that attracts millions of visitors annually. Spanning over 12,000 kilometres, the capital city of New South Wales is undoubtedly one of the most glittering cities to get lost in. The city's crown jewel is undoubtedly its picturesque harbour, dominated by the iconic Sydney Opera House and the Sydney Harbour Bridge. With its distinctive sail-like architecture, the Opera House is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a symbol of the city's cultural prowess. Colloquially known as the Coat Hanger, the Harbour Bridge is both a transportation hub and a beloved landmark. For the daredevils out there, the bridge offers to let you climb its arch for panoramic views of the city. Beyond its landmarks, Sydney boasts a diverse range of neighbourhoods, each with its own unique character. The historic area known as The Rocks offers a glimpse into Sydney's colonial past, with cobbled streets, charming pubs, and artisan markets. You can get drunk here and party like there's no tomorrow, or head to Darling Harbour, a bustling waterfront precinct with family-friendly attractions. But if you're looking for the surf culture, Bondi Beach and Manly Beach are renowned for that and Golden Sands. The city is also surrounded by national parks and outdoor recreational areas, including the famous Royal National Park and the stunning Blue Mountains, offering opportunities for hiking, bushwalking, and wildlife encounters. Sydney's cultural scene is vibrant and diverse, featuring world-class museums, galleries, theatres, and a thriving music and culinary scene. The city hosts numerous festivals and events throughout the year, celebrating everything from food and wine to art and music. Number 6. Melbourne. Famous as Australia's second-largest city, Melbourne is the city where culture, art, and culinary excellence blend together for the ultimate cosmopolitan experience. Tucked in the southeastern state of Victoria, Melbourne's cultural scene is the defining aspect of the city. Melbourne boasts a wealth of museums, galleries, theatres and street art, with the National Gallery of Victoria and Australian Centre for the Moving Image taking centre stage. If you're a fan of urban artwork, Hosier Lane is an internationally recognised street showcasing Melbourne's creative side. But that's not all to Melbourne just yet. The city is renowned for being the epicentre of gastronomic experiences and featuring a diverse range of world-class cuisine. The central business district's alleys and lanes are full of cafes, restaurants and food stalls, while Bourke Street is famous for its exquisite delicacies. However, you don't have to find your way to specific streets of Melbourne to surround yourself with a mouth-watering range of dine and wine options. Exploring nature in the bustle of a cityscape like Melbourne has also been made possible with the Melbourne Zoo, Sea Life Melbourne Aquarium and the Royal Botanic Gardens, serving as popular yet quaint spots to connect with Australia's wildlife and nature. Perhaps the best way to enjoy a sunset in Melbourne is to climb up the Melbourne Skydeck to get a bird's eye view of the city, sunset and beyond. Of course, as the night gets darker, head to nightlife districts like St Kilda, South Bank, Fitzroy or Collingwood areas to dance the night away. Number 5. Gold Coast. With a reputation as Australia's premier holiday destination, Gold Coast is a coastal city known for its stunning beaches, vibrant entertainment festivals, and outdoor recreational opportunities. The city's skyline is dominated by modern skyscrapers, and the Q1 Tower, one of the tallest residential buildings in the world, offers an observation deck with panoramic views of the entire Gold Coast. Gold Coast's coastline stretches for over 57 kilometers and boasts some of the country's most famous beaches, including Broad Beach and Burleigh Heads. These sandy shores are ideal for swimming, surfing, and sunbathing, making them a magnet for beach enthusiasts from around the world. But the best of Gold Coast is a bustling precinct called Surfers Paradise. Filled with high-rise buildings, shopping centers, and a lively nightlife scene, Surfers Paradise will pull you in, no matter what you're here for. Beyond the beaches and entertainment, the Gold Coast is known for its lush hinterland, including the Lamington National Park and the Springbrook National Park. These rainforest-covered areas are perfect for nature enthusiasts and hikers, with trails leading to waterfalls, ancient trees, and stunning viewpoints, like the Natural Bridge. Surprisingly, the Gold Coast is also home to insane and exciting theme parks, including Dreamworld, Warner Bros. Movie World, Wet n Wild, and SeaWorld. These attractions attract tourists of all ages and provide a mix of adrenaline-pumping rides, animal encounters, and entertainment. I'm sure I can't fit in all the reasons why you should visit the Gold Coast within this video, so let us know if we should have a separate video on the Gold Coast in the comments below. Number 4. Whitsunday Islands. Nestled in the heart of the Great Barrier Reef, the Whitsunday Islands are a breathtaking archipelago of 74 tropical islands off the coast of Queensland, Australia. Renowned for its pristine beaches, crystal clear waters, and vibrant marine life, the Whitsundays are a paradise for nature lovers and water enthusiasts. These islands are famous for their stunning beaches, with Whitehaven Beach being one of the most iconic. Its pure silica sand creates a dazzling effect, making it consistently ranked among the world's best beaches. Tourists are instantly drawn to the beach's powdery sands and the dazzling swirls of turquoise and azure in the surrounding waters. For a panoramic view of the Whitehaven Beach and surrounding coral islands, try your hand at the numerous hiking trails and lookout points. There are numerous hiking and bushwalking opportunities to explore the island's lush interior. You might stumble across dense rainforests, secluded beaches, and native flora and fauna. But before we move on to number 3 on our list, make sure to head to the Heart Reef in the Whitsunday Islands. This picturesque reef is naturally shaped like a heart and is one of the most romantic destinations around the world to visit with your partner. Number 3. Kangaroo Island. Let's talk about Australia's hidden gem, the Kangaroo Island. Off the coast of South Australia, Kangaroo Island is a captivating area characterized by glittering turquoise waters surrounding 4,400 square kilometers of rugged landscapes, unspoiled beaches, and diverse ecosystems. Ranging from dramatic coastal cliffs to lush forests and rolling hills, the island is full of jaw-dropping scenes. For one, the Flinders Chase National Park is home to rock formations unlike any other. One of Kangaroo Island's most distinctive features is its incredible wildlife. As the name suggests, kangaroos are abundant here, and you're likely to encounter them hopping around freely. The island is also home to other iconic Australian species like koalas, wallabies, sea lions, and a variety of bird life. Seal Bay Conservation Park is a must-visit destination, where you can observe sea lions basking on the sandy shores. Speaking of sandy shores, where should you head for a sun-kissed vacation on Kangaroo Island? Emu Bay, Vivon Bay, and Stokes Bay are just a few examples of the beautiful stretches of sand where you can swim, beachcomb, snorkel, deep dive, or fish your own dinner. Yet, chances are that if you walk around Kangaroo Island on your own, you'll stumble across a hidden gem that's much more stunning than any of these places. Number 2. Byron Bay. Nestled between lush rainforests and the Pacific Ocean, Byron Bay has become a popular destination for tourists in New South Wales. This charming coastal town is celebrated for its pristine sandy beaches, vibrant art scene, and relaxed atmosphere, making it the perfect summer getaway with friends and family. Perhaps the most exquisite feature of this town is its jaw-droppingly beautiful beaches and coastlines. Striking turquoise waves crash against the town's sandy stretches, while a rugged terrain covered in foliage creates a mesmerizing backdrop to enjoy. For those looking for famous tourist beaches, Main Beach, Wattagos Beach, and Tallow Beach offer distinct experiences and have excellent water sports and beachfront dining opportunities. If you're looking for an off-the-beaten-path experience, let me introduce you to the secluded paradises of Little Wattagos Beach, The Pass, and Whites Beach. You can easily reach Little Wattagos Beach by foot or kayak for peaceful swimming, enjoy breathtaking coastal views while surfing on the pass, or embark on a challenging rugged trail to reach Whites Beach's tranquil clear waters. Beyond the beaches, Byron Bay is surrounded by lush subtropical rainforests. You can explore the easternmost point of the Australian mainland at Cape Byron State Conservation Area. This area is also home to the Cape Byron Lighthouse and is dotted with hiking trails to spot wildlife including birds, dolphins, and even whales. And at the height of these trails is the chance to catch a unique panoramic view that will leave you speechless. Number 1. Karijini National Park. Remember when I mentioned the Australian Outback? At number 1, we have another one of the gems from the Outback. Karijini National Park is a remote and breathtaking wilderness area located in Western Australia's Pilbara region. Known for its rugged terrain and stunning natural beauty, it is a haven for adventure seekers and nature enthusiasts. The park covers an expansive 627,422 hectares, making it one of the largest and most pristine national parks in Western Australia. The park is characterized by its deep gorges, dramatic chasms, and cascading waterfalls, all carved over millions of years by the relentless flow of water through the ancient Hamersley Range. Karijini is renowned for its striking red rock formations and contrasting greenery, creating a stunning visual contrast. Visitors to Karijini National Park can explore a network of walking trails and enjoy activities such as hiking, canyoning, and swimming in pristine natural rock pools. Most of the natural rock pools were formed over 2 million years ago and feature numerous natural waterfalls that make the scenario even more magical. Some of the park's most famous gorges include Dales Gorge, Weeno Gorge, and Hancock Gorge, each offering unique landscapes and opportunities for adventure. One of the hidden gems within Karijini National Park is Knox Gorge. While not as well known as some of the other gorges, it offers a more secluded and peaceful experience for those willing to venture off the beaten path. To access Knox Gorge, you'll have to navigate steep and rocky terrain. But the effort is rewarded with the chance to admire its towering red cliffs, serene pools, and lush vegetation in relative solitude. And this is the end of our video. If you liked traveling to the insanely gorgeous landscapes and cityscapes of the land down under, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. That way, we'll book you a passenger seat on our upcoming video travels. In the meantime, check out this cool video right here.